Hello everybody, I just want to take this moment to wish you all very happy holidays. I hope you all had a great year. As you know, I've been through quite a lot of changes this year. I've been through a breakup and I moved out, and so I live alone now. And I also started a new full-time job in August in customer support for video game companies. The job is fine, although I do eventually want to get something that fits a bit more with my strength, like something more artistic. That would be very nice. The nice part about the job is though meeting other people. When you're working full-time from home as an artist, like I have been doing for many years, then you tend to get a bit isolated. So working full-time somewhere else does get you in touch with more people, which is the nice part about it. I do have some goals for the new year. I want to get back to making videos about autism on a weekly basis again. It's been lacking a bit because I've been so busy. I also want to get back to drawing. I've hardly been drawing since the summer, so I want to get back to that as well. And I also want to make drawing tutorials again. Also the last one I made in the summer, so I think it's quite a while ago. If you're a follower of my autism videos, you like to follow my drawing tutorials, there's a link in the description below. And for people who are following my drawing tutorials, there's a link to my autism videos if you like to follow that as well. I also want to take a moment to thank you all very much for all your views and all your likes and your comments and all your support. I truly appreciate it, and I wish you all a very happy holidays and enjoy yourselves, and I wish you a wonderful and healthy 2019, and I hope to see you with my next videos again in the new year. Bye!